So glad that you've clicked on this channel and grateful that you are here.
Hi, I'm Drew Forster.
I'm Darell Houston, and together
we host the Creator Podcast, and we couldn't think of a better way
to close out our second season than with the podcast takeover by Sarah Lager and 445 Designs.
That's right, throughout the month of December, your favorite Aussie furniture flipper is taking over our feed.
With 3 episodes detailing her journey as a creator, a carpenter, and YouTuber.
So don't be a rat bag.
And make sure you check out the Creator Podcast everywhere you get your podcasts.
Or in the link below this video. Merry Christmas.
So what was that? A friend asked me to be on their podcast and I said yes. And was also saying no in my head. But why not? Hey, that's what I always say in my videos. Why not? Just give it a go. So I did. And apparently this introvert had a lot to say. I took over 3 episodes. I believe the first 2 are already up. So if you guys want to check them out, they're in the link below. That would be awesome. And let's get into the video. I have taken enough of your time in the intro. Let's do it. I just taped that whole thing and I didn't press record. Okay, so I have this dresser that I got from Facebook Marketplace. I got these side tables from the Restore. I'm taking the base off of the nightstands and the dresser, make a base and call it a set. Paint it all the same color and Bob's your uncle. This one's fun. Repeat 2 more times. So, 2 front legs, 2 back legs, 2 side panels, and 1 front panel.
Sorry about the clicking. My mask.
Ended up having to paint it 3 times, and then I did those little touch-ups in the trim of the drawers. Sanded in between, lightly sanded in between each coat. To top coat. So I haven't stained the base at all. I'm just leaving it natural. I like that warm yellow sort of tone with the Stormy Seas. I'm using polyurethane in satin. I bought it for my husband's desk. Thought, oh well, I have it, so I'm gonna use it. I just like the natural. You see that? Like magic. Getting everywhere. Super thin coats, like ridiculously thin. That way you don't get any drip marks or brush strokes. Brilliant. So I'm just more concerned, like I'm hardly, let's start from the beginning, right? Hardly dipping, only dipping in the first 2 mil of my brush, and then I'm wiping it off. And then what I'm concerned about is just getting it on there, right? Getting it on there in a stripe. And then once I've done that, then I'll follow through with one solid brush stroke. And now I can see something has landed on it back here. I'm not going to go back over it with a brush. Okay, learned that the hard way. Just leave it, and then when you lightly sand in between coats, you're more than likely going to sand off anything that has landed in your top coat while it's been drying. These guys got them from a Habitat for Humanity near me. Somebody else didn't want them. I made a few changes, painted it, gave it a new base, spruced up the handles, the jewelry. They have come up a treat. I love that about my job. I can take something that is outdated and old and something that nobody wants, make a few tweaks, and hopefully they have turned into something somebody else does want. Now, I got a dresser from Facebook Marketplace with similar lines, right? These are very square looking lines. The handles are really unique. Well, the dresser is similar. It's not the same. It's not even the same brand, but it's similar in style. Just stick around for that video and watch to the end to see if I manage to sell these pieces, even though traditionally they aren't a set. See the changes that I made to them and if I was able to sell them as a set. So I hope to see you guys on next week's video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. I don't know why I said button like that, but it just came out like that. Hitting that like button just sort of propels me into that massive ocean of creators and helps my channel float around in there amongst all of those big fish. So if you guys could do that, I would love it. And I hope to see you guys on next week's video. Bye guys.